Supposedly, this is gonna be bullseye, and I was told to record, so I'm gonna turn the camera
And
facing.
this is the first session of our recording, so.
First session. You ready?
I called it out, and I'm gonna go for it right now.
Let's do it. Let's see if we can. I can't even see the board.
I got four chances to these, so let's do these. Be careful with the
Let's. Yeah, please. I can't even see the dartboard. That's sad.
Oh, you don't need to see it right now. You're gonna see when it hit the bullseye.
All right. Let's see the bullseye.
All right.
Not quite. A little closer.
Fuck! That went out really bad. Fuck. All right.
Blame it on the slippery fingers.
Last one right here.
Last chance
And
for this video.
Here we go.
And we go.
Oh my god, dude! Fuck.
Let's see how close we got. We can't see anything. It's too dark. It's pretty close. Just take my word for it. Good night for now. Next video comes in 3, 2, 1.